Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily create and set up server roles on Discord. So if you want to create and set up server roles, go over and click on the server name, click on server settings, and go to people and roles. Now here we're going to click on create role. We're going to give it a name. For example, I'm going to name it HardReset.Info. Here, of course, you can choose the magical style if you have server that has some server boosts, but I do not have it, so I'll just choose a color. Here we can choose a custom one, so I'll choose something like this. And of course, we can choose an image, but you also need some boosts on the server. Now, this is the preview of how it looks like, and of course, you can display the role separately and allow anyone to mention this role. If you want some permissions, you can give it a lot of permissions, and this is the subject for another video. But basically, there's a lot of permissions like manage nicknames of other people, ban members, send messages in threads and posts, create public and private threads. For example, send text-to-speech messages, create polls, and of course use soundboard, mute, deafen, and move members. Of course, create and manage events. So you can set it up if you make like an administrator role on your server. Of course, you got links. So linking a connection or app requires members to connect their accounts before being added to the role. So for example, you can add the connection of Spotify. So they must connect Spotify account. And for example, YouTube account, and must connect at least one. Now you can save it. And as you guys can see, members are automatically assigned to this role because we got the linked role. Now, if we remove it, we can add members to this role. I'll add myself. And once I leave, I have the HardReset.Info role on my server. I can remove it, and now it's just online, but I can add it, and that's HardReset.Info. So that's how you guys can create and set up server roles. Of course, you can make a lot of them. That's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to leave a like, subscription, and a comment. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.